Yo, what's up guys? My name is FX Jiri and I've been trading for like since the beginning of the year, and I use Alex G's trading strategy. And yeah, today we are doing a Forex market outlook for the next week, or not next week but this week. And yeah, let's start. So here are all my favorite pairs: GBP NCD, AUD, GBP CAD, EUR GBP, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD CHF. So let's start with the one that is currently in my area of interest. So we can see clearly that the weekly is bullish, starting from the weekly. And we can see this big massive bearish engulfing that happened like 2 weeks ago. So that tells us that we might be now having the pullback. And yeah, also the last week's candle was very good. And now we have a pullback to this. I don't know, this maybe is a weekly area of interest because there is 1, 2, kinda 3 touches. So it maybe doesn't count as weekly area of interest, and there's nothing here. Yes. So yeah, here are all my confluences. So weekly AO, and also we have weekly structure point. So structure point we can see from here, from this point on, boom, boom, boom. So it's the second turn, two. So this one, and we are retesting it right now. Okay, then we go to daily. Daily we have very clean touches. So here we have 1, 2, kinda 3, 4 and 5 touches. We are also retesting this daily EMA, which is also very nice. And yeah, usually when we come on this area, we also have a round psychological, we usually head down, and I believe that we are going to have it maybe tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow it's 5th day, the 5th of November. And yeah, and currently in this market I'm waiting for the 4-hour to go bearish. I'm not sure if I'm going to wait for the 4-hour to go bearish, or maybe I'll just wait like for maybe the 2-hour or 1 hour to shift structure and then retest this area of interest. Yes, very good. Next market, Euro USD. Euro USD weekly is, as you can see, bullish. So this is the higher high and this is the higher low. And I believe usually when we have had a big push, we have had like a massive push from here to here, we need a retracement. And I believe we are going to retrace maybe here. I don't know if it's here, but I believe we are going still that much like lower. So yeah, here we have this very clean weekly area of interest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of these are not so good taps because I only count the bodies, but here are 1, 2, 3. So very many good taps. And yeah, let's go back to here. Here we have a nice round psychological level. And yeah, weekly doesn't have really that much else. So the daily has went from here we were trending bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, market structure. This is a lower low because we closed under this point here. Then market structure, lower low. Then market structure. This is all market structure between this point. And then we had a new lower low. And what I'm waiting in this market is the pullback to this weekly and daily area of interest. On the daily we have very many clean taps. I really like this trade. So we have kinda 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kinda 6, 7. Okay. And then yeah, we also have round psychological and yeah, for this I'm waiting for the pullback to a area of interest. And yeah, next market, GBP CAD. Here weekly is bearish, and this is very nice, very Picasso area of interest. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 very clean taps, and yeah, we love this market. Yeah. And we also have weekly structure points, so counting from the lower low, first turn, second turn. And always the second turn here is the previous structure point. And yeah, the daily area of interest is more like much more cleaner, even though that weekly was very clean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like very good taps. And for this market I'm waiting for a pullback to area of interest. So yeah, very nice, very good looking market. And kinda we have started the pullback, but we are not there yet. Very good. Euro GBP. So the weekly is currently bullish. As you can see, we are kind of making the new higher high. So here would be the higher high currently, because the weekly hasn't closed yet, and this is the higher low. So here we have kind of like, this is my main area of interest. As you can see, there is 1, 2, kinda 3, 4, kinda many taps, 5, 6 taps. So this is like the more cleaner one, because that is also a daily area of interest. But we still have this second area here. So there is 1 tap, then 4 very good weekly taps. But always when we have weekly and the daily together, that's much better. Let's go to the daily. Daily we are creating a new higher high, so this trade is not looking, it might be that this is not ready this week because we are not going to the right way. I've noticed today is Tuesday, this week hasn't started as good as the last previous weeks. But yeah, I believe me, we still have many possibilities to make money this week. Very good. So GBP USD weekly is currently making a new lower low. And yeah, here we have 2 kinda area of interest. I don't really like this, to be honest with you. Yes. This first area of interest, like where 1 good tap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 good taps. That's very good. But yeah, I don't really like this market, not that much. And we also, I mean, we are currently below the EMA, so it's much better. Yeah, here we have the second area of interest. I could maybe just make 1 area of interest like around here, but I have to. I'll see when the market gets there. And yeah, this we are also waiting for the area of interest. And yeah, usually I like to wait that there is 3 time frame alignment, because I've noticed that usually when there's 3 time frames aligning, it's much more high probability trade. Very good. So yeah, AUD USD weekly is currently bearish, as you can see. We were making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Market structure, higher high, market structure. until this point. We went under this line, this point here. So lower low, lower high. And now potential lower low. And yeah, the weekly, we have very nice weekly area of interest. So it's not that clean from here, but we have many good taps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good traps from the past. And yeah, here we have a lot of like wicks and kinda this also, and then this. But yeah, I think it's much more cleaner here. So I actually had 2 trade ideas from this point. So it was Monday. So yeah, I analyzed the market like here. So I believe that we may be going to here like form a double top and then sell. But it looks like we are now going this way, and then we retest this much better area, I think. And here we have also very clean touches on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good area. And yeah, this where I'll be waiting for the 4-hour is already bearish. So maybe I think this trade is kinda cooking up already. So yeah, here we be looking sells. Stop loss should be, with my own rules, it should be here somewhere. But the risk to reward is trash in that case. And our take profit should be here. So 1 to 6 risk to reward doesn't really make sense. So I will be waiting for more market structure to happen, or then I'll just make a tighter stop loss. So I can make the stop loss kinda like maybe somewhere around here, so I can get like a nice risk to reward. And the last market, USD CHF. This trade looks like it's gone, but it wasn't my best trade. So the weekly is bullish currently. So we were bearish for a long time until 3 weeks ago. We made a new lower low here. And yeah, we don't have a weekly area of interest, but we have this very clean daily area of interest. So 1, 2, 3, kinda 4, kinda 5 taps. So very nice, but it looks like the trade is gone. And yeah. So yeah, that's the market outlook for the rest of this week. Not too good, but we still may have some opportunities to catch this week. So yeah, I will go now to the gym, and yes, see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.